This morning we're doing a job at Urban Blue Luxury Apartments. We're doing a pressure washing on the sidewalks. As you can see, we're working our way down. It's getting all the green mold and everything that's growing on it, fungus. The whole project consists of this whole entire area, all the way to the end of building 1. We're basically doing sidewalk and curbing. All right. Right now we're in front of the clubhouse. We're doing the pressure washing. As we're coming down, you can see we got the curbing. I got Antonio painting the front as we're going down to building 1. As you can see, he's pressure washing the whole entire curb. I just helped him move the machine so we can continue all the way down to building 1. Then we'll reconnect the water there and move to the far end. Right now at this moment, we're coming on the side of the building, which is the fitness center here at Urban Blue. And then we're gonna go straight forward down the sidewalk along building 1. A lot of fungus growing over here, so we're having to do a little extra work. As you can see, the oil has eaten up the asphalt, so we're gonna have to pressure wash this as well. Same thing over here. There's many spots throughout the property. Here's another one where the asphalt is being eaten up by the oil as well. These ones will touch up with the pressure washer. It has some oil stains. We'll try to eliminate it, but it is eaten up by oil, transmission fluid, and other chemicals. So we're going to work our way down. Here's another example of the oil being eating up the asphalt. Right here's another one. Most of this is caused by leaky cars, oil stains, whatnot. The only way I could solve this problem is to apply epoxy on the floor. With a continuation from yesterday's pressure washing, we're coming down side of building 1. I have Antonio right now. He's at building 4. So here's what it looks like. We're removing a lot of green stains from the floors. You can see how beautified it is. When I take the left just right up here of the sidewalk, going to building 2. As you can see, he getting mainly in front of the doors of all the buildings. Some of these buildings have 2 entrances. Other than that, everything looks beautiful. Coming down. All right. Now, as we're walking down the second entrance, you can see how much difference this building looks due to the cleanliness. See over here, building 3. He got in front of we call it stairwell 1. It's a major difference when you see a apartment complex is actually shows some kind of consideration for the cleanliness. Looking good. Then we're going to the stairwell 3. It is a major difference. You can see not so much green anymore. Antonio started on building 4. He's in the middle pod, which we call stairwell 2. Looking really good. This used to be a problem for me back in the time when I did the stairwells. This would always have oil stains. So we're coming back and touching it up. You can see the major difference over here. I'm getting everything real nice and clean. No more oil stains. Looking great. Here's some of the on building 5. Everything is already done all the way to the end. We just need to go to building 6, 7, 8, and 9. As you can see, most of the dirtiness is just the entrances of the doors. This sidewalk right here is pretty good. Thank you. As we're walking the property, getting everything nice and cleaned, major difference. I mean, this is a complete care of all the walking spaces. A lot of this blackness from the sidewalks is basically because the majority of the people that live in this town work in restaurants, and therefore you're going to see a lot of tracking of the grease from within the kitchen. But besides that, you can see that it brings out the integrity of the property. We have a little bit of work over here. This is in front of building 9. As we're coming around the corner, everything's sweet over here on this side. We just need a little touch-ups on that. But it does play an important for the community to see that it's being taken care of. So as far as we get into stairwell 3 of building 9, a little bit of stains on those, but other than that, not too bad. Then we go to the center one, which is stairwell 2, building 9. It's real nice and well maintained. Just because it has sunlight, so nothing can really grow except for around here by the trees before you get to stairwell 1 of the entrance of building 9. It has made a big difference on the property. The integrity is starting to show as far as it goes on the outside. Inside the stairwells, I'm not sure because I haven't done the cleanliness since May the 8th. Now that we're here in building 7, working along in front of the doorways with an overabundance of grease, from the individuals that work in these restaurants. As you can see, we removed all of it. Where that was stairwell 3, this is stairwell 2, near its completion. And you'll be going to stairwell 1. Which is only 2 squares, as you can see. Coming to building 6, everything looks good. It's just in front of the doors, which is not too bad. Then we go to the stairwell 2 and stairwell 3. Normally these are our problem buildings when it comes to the stairwells. But besides that, I mean, it's pretty much well maintained. The only suggestion I would ask the property management over here is to put a floor mat when you're coming into the building. But besides that, as you can see, it's a little bit greasy. Stairwells still look the same when I left back in May the 8th. Nothing really has changed on that one. We just finished here in front of building 6. Antonio's going to finish this little piece right here. But other than that, everything is good. As you can see, he's finishing it. Then we have one more little project to do, and it's right there at the trash compactor. As you can see, he likes the new little piece that we bought for the machine. Ese aquí también. Right now we're on our final phase. We're doing in front of the trash compactor. As you can see, after this, everything should be all good. This happens to be one of our dirtiest areas. It's gonna come all the way down here, and it's gonna work its way down. And then we're also gonna do over here. This is going to be our final completion right here.